This is the fourth phase of the Walter G. Alexander project, and essentially what we're doing right now, we're demolishing units right now so that we can make way for the new development. It'll take about 18 months altogether. We are putting townhouse-style buildings here, very similar to what we have over on Perot Street and the other part of Central Place. There'll be a parking space for each one of these units. We're building 44 units overall. 16 will be here on this site. Another 10 will be a little bit further down the street on Central Place.